Clean the old flange area thoroughly before installing new components to ensure a proper fit and reliable seal. Start by removing the toilet and any loose debris using a rigid putty knife or scraper held at a shallow angle to avoid gouging the flange or surrounding flooring. Use a wet-dry vacuum to capture remaining dust, small particles, and old wax residue. Move the nozzle in overlapping passes and check under the flange for trapped material. For stuck wax and stubborn grime, soften it by laying a damp cloth soaked in warm water over the residue for a few minutes, then scrape gently. If needed, apply a mild, non-caustic cleaner such as diluted dish soap or an enzyme-based cleaner and rinse with a barely damp cloth. Avoid strong solvents that can damage plastic flanges or degrade flange to floor adhesives. After cleaning, run a final wipe with a lint-free cloth and allow the surface to air dry fully so new seals and bolts seat properly. Before installing the new wax ring or seal, inspect the flange for cracks, breaks, or unevenness and use a flange repair ring or a layer of thin metal shim only if the flange sits slightly below the finished floor. Common mistakes include leaving old wax or debris in the flange cavity, which prevents a tight seal and causes leaks. So always scrape and vacuum thoroughly until the flange is visibly clean. Another frequent issue is using harsh chemicals that degrade plastic flanges or damage flooring finishes, so stick to mild cleaners and mechanical removal methods. A third problem is installing a new seal on a damp or contaminated surface, which will compromise adhesion and seating, so always dry the flange completely and avoid touching cleaned surfaces with greasy hands before fitting the new component. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a community space where we discuss techniques like flange cleaning and share contractor recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling conversations in our discussion community so both sides learn and solve real job site problems.